Understanding Snowstorm Warning, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a very specific but important phrase in English, snowstorm warning. This phrase is particularly relevant in countries with snowy winters, and understanding it can be crucial for safety and preparation. Let's dive in. A snowstorm warning is a type of weather alert issued by meteorological departments. It means that a snowstorm, which is a severe weather condition characterized by heavy snowfall and strong winds, is expected in the area soon. This warning is important because it advises people to be prepared for challenging and potentially dangerous weather conditions. Let's break down the phrase, snowstorm. This part of the phrase refers to a severe weather condition involving a large amount of snow falling within a short period, often accompanied by strong winds. Warning. This term indicates a notification or alert. It serves as an advice or an announcement about something important, in this case, the impending snowstorm. Understanding a snowstorm warning is crucial for several reasons. 1. Safety. Knowing about a snowstorm in advance can help people take necessary safety precautions. 2. Preparation. Residents can stock up on essentials, protect their properties, and plan travel accordingly. 3. Awareness. It raises awareness about weather conditions and the importance of paying attention to weather updates. When a snowstorm warning is issued, it's important to stay informed, keep checking for updates from reliable weather sources, prepare your home, ensure your home is insulated, and stock up on necessary supplies like food, water, and medical needs. Avoid travel. If possible, avoid or limit travel until the warning is lifted. That's all for today's topic on snowstorm warning. Remember, this phrase is not just about the weather. It's about safety, preparation, and awareness. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in English. Stay safe and warm, and see you in our next video.